Django REST framework. At the time of when I started Django REST framework, first I explained how to install Django REST framework. Second, I started serializers concept. What we started serializers. At the time of serializers, three are there. One is serialization. Second one is deserialization. Third one, validations. These three are completed previously. For example, check this open atom. Our project with REST. So views.py, get method, how to get the employee details, post method, put method, delete method. This is the partner application, not this one. This is our partner application. Here get to put all the things are completed there. For that we implemented serializers. So here employee serializer my class, these things already we completed about the story. Now, sir, what is the problem with this serialization? Normal serializers. We have forms at their Django. At the time of Django, what is the difference between form and model form? Something difference is there already, we know. Same Marikada Koda, whatever problems in the serializers, those are overcome problems with normal serialization. See this class, whatever problems are there, this is the serializers.py class. Yeah. Here, whatever problems, any problems are there in this one? No problems, huh? But I am putting heading na problems with the normal serialization. You are telling no problems? No error, no problem. Sir, here, see, am I declaring all the fields or not? Yes. What is this validate? This one. And what is this create and update? Which purpose these two? If you want to create any resource, you are overriding which method? Create method. If you want to put updation, you are overriding update method. So yes, we are overriding these methods and we are validating this and we are writing all these nonsense. So the first problem is we have to mention all the fields. We have to define all the fields. All the fields means like employee number, employee name, employee salary. Sorry, 5 fields are there. Okay, chalta 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 1,000 fields are there. Then compulsory iterate all the 1,000 fields. No alternative. That is the first problem we are facing it. Second one is we have to implement it there and overriding. Sorry, we are overriding methods. Which method? Create method, update method. These are we are overriding from parent. And we are implementing create and we are implementing update methods explicitly. To do all these activities, instead of all these activities, okay, now I want to go for which one? Model serializer concept. So now come to our program, sir. This program is there, okay now? This program. Comment all these nonsense. This much of code not required. See how many lines of code is there? Nearly 7 to 34. Comment all these. Not required. Take a class. Class. What is the class name? Employee employee serializer. Any name, your wish. What is the model's name? Sorry, views. Serializers. Dot. What I'm taking? Serializer. Dot. Now which one can I take? Is going to model serial. Previously, normal serializer class. Now I am taking as a model serializer class. Next, next what to do? Do you know Django? Django, same Django model form. So only 2 lines. Class, meta, model name, fields all completed. Now you can take class. What it is? Meta. Inside model name. What is the model? Our model name. Employee. Even this one we declare in a test app models model. Next fields equal to underscore only where class meta inside model name fields we can provide it there. Built-in class not method. Built-in class it is a class meta. Meta means data about the data. Something data we can provide it, then class meta employee. Sir, if you want only some fields equal to in the list, whatever fields you want, you can give. 1000 fields are there. I want only 1 or 2. Exclude. Same story. Sir, now my class completed. Ho gaya. Go to test.py. Now, what I was doing is you have to comment all these. First, which one? Get resource. Okay, na? Previously that much code I am written. 1 second. First, start server, all those things. Then first to start the server. D drive, CD, sorry, REST API. Yeah, CD with REST class 1, py, manage.py. First to check the server. If server is okay, then fine. Something goes wrong. Chonde. Oh, where? Where? What they are telling? Line number 5. Okay. From where it is? Test app dot serializers. Not coming. Yeah. Serializers import. Sir, ikkada employee serializers kada. 1 minute. Employee serializer. Yeah, that's yeah. Now server is fine. Perfect. That's it. First you have to start the server. If any errors are there, we will get it. Admin. Check the employees. Yes, 1, 3, 4. 3 employees are there, sir. Fine. Now what I was doing is, again, if you want to run third-party application, take another command prompt. D drive, CD, REST, CD with REST. So now in partner application, go to test drive. I can ask first one. So am I getting first record or not? Check it carefully. Now my code is very simple code py test.py. But now check it. How much lines of code I am written here? in serializers? How many lines? Only this line. Remaining all are not required. Sir, now I want all records. Okay, no problem. Now remove this, run. All records getting, not getting. That is the model serializer, simple thing. Create resource. Working or not working? I have doubt. Comment it. Now. Sorry, get all not required కదా అసలు రిమూవ్ ఎందుకు మనకి అది క్రియేట్ రిసోర్స్ సార్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి 400 ఉంది కదా నౌ గివ్ 500 రాఘవ salary 8,000 from Hyderabad. Save. Now run this. What will happen? Resource created, not created. You have to go there. Check it. Raghava created. Updation. Yeah. Comment this. Come to here. Update of which IDs are there? 4. Yeah, fourth one. Name as a Janaki. Salary as a 12,000. Now run this. Resource updated. So everything is done. Simple 3-4 lines of the code. That's why I'm telling. Starting my own framework, number of lines is going to Janaki updated. Next. I want to delete. What to do? Comment it. Yes. Now, employees only 1, 3, 4, 5. 1 I want to delete. Give resource 1. Save. Chundi, am I doing anything? Resource deleted. Deleted successfully. Completed my code. So, your jobs are slowly. I will reduce complete code. You don't bother about that. Only 3 lines. First day, second day, how much code you written? Own framework. You are not getting it anything, but no simplified job. Next, that test.py also I will remove. That is partner application Python code. Confusion purpose, I'm telling, starting everything. Executing all. Get executed, post executed with the help of model serializer, sir. That is the speciality of model serializer. Simple code we have to write. Serializers.py. Just you have to write these 4 lines of the code. Remaining all not required. This is the way. Then you can run your partner application. All we are getting it. First, single resource, all resource, resource created, post method, put method updated, delete method. All will be done with the small piece of the code. That is the model serializer speciality. Can I run all the methods at a time? Check it. I will show. Open it. Go. Okay. Come to here. Check it slowly. Uncommented all. Okay. I'm uncommenting. Sir, first which method? Get resource kada. Just your understandable purpose. Print statement. Which one it is a? It is a get request. Sir, once get request executed, here I am calling resource. Okay. You have to wait some time. Just your understandable purpose only 5 seconds. Time means compulsory. What you have to import? Which module? Time mod. Now, once I am waiting, yes, print. Which method it is a? Post request. Post request. So request will be created. Yeah. Now time dot sleep of some 15 seconds you have to wait. Now print which method it is a update. So I am updating a record. Okay. Once update the record completed, I want to delete here. Now time dot sleep of 15 seconds. Finally, delete. Print. Completed. Now check it carefully. Sir, my records are 400, 500. Yeah. Now I want to go with 600. I am given 9,000 from Lanka. Him. Okay. Now create resource. Update. Now I want to update Janaki with Sorpanaka salary 18,000 updated. Janaki ID anta 4. Yes, 4 updated. I deleted. Which one I want to delete? Mahesh, I want to delete third ID. Yeah. Check it carefully. Sir, first get method I am calling printing all resources. 5 seconds. I'm inserting Ravana record. After that, I'm updating Janaki as Sorpanaka. After that, I'm deleting Mahesh. Now, simple thing, observe here. First, I'm getting all the resources. 5 seconds, I'm waiting. Next, record inserted. Is it inserted really? Yes, Ravana inserted. Now come to here. Wait 10 seconds. It is waiting. It is updating record. Yeah, updated. Come to here. Janaki is there. Janaki is updated with Sorpanaka salary updated. Next, Mahesh deleted. That's the process. Simple process only. Once you can practice, gone day. Resource deleted successfully. Refresh. Mahesh gone. Raghava, Ravana, Sorpanaka. 3 are there. Simplified job. Over the fast run just execution purpose. I want to show to you. I'm given time. It's not mandatory. One by one executed. Ante. Overriding means at the time of object oriented overriding. Ikkada use chesan overriding concept. This one overriding. Previously, I'm telling na. I'm overriding parent class method where idigo. What it is, create update, overriding only. Parent class method I'm using in child class, that concept is called as overriding. Adi overriding ante, chala mandi overriding, overloading, so much confusion is there. Overloading means same method, different parameters, overloading. Overriding ante parent class method, I'm using same name into child and I have my own implementation. That is called as overriding. Sir, Mari, ikkada everything okay, 3 lines of code I am written. This is my partner application. Now all the becomes will simplified. How to validate? Process same only, field validations. For example, I want to update resource means ikkade code will be there already. Here serializers, multiples of hundreds is available there. Okay. E shall copy this one, give to class, save. Validating field. So salary must should how much? Multiples of thousands. Okay. Come to partner application. Here I am not getting. So comment. I'm not create resource. Comment. I'm updating resource, comment. So update. The update resource of which one I want to update? Fourth one. Fourth one, or else sixth, Ravana. Observe carefully. ID sixth one. Yeah. Sixth one. I want to update to only salary only. Ravana salary. How much he is having? 9,000. I want to update his salary 10,001 rupee. Is it updated? And is it updated? No. What they're telling? Should be multiples. I am given 10,001 rupee. I am given validation. Check it carefully. Here, I applied validation serializer. On EMP salary, the validator equal to what it is? Multiple. What this one? Function. So come say it is validated. Now, come to test.py. Give only 10,000. Is it multiples? Okay, no problem. It will be updated. Yeah. Record updated. Ravana salary 9,000. Refresh. 10,000 came. That is the way of using field validation also very simple. Previously, whatever you are doing, that just you can give that field. Completed your job. Any field, give field validator enough. Declare function. Give that function as a parameter. That is the first concept of Django REST framework, serializers. That is the total one topic only. What it is? Serializers. Next topic is Django DRF views. Second topic, Django REST framework views. Now, somewhere else we are using this class, sir. Where? View class, somewhere else we are using. Yeah. Employee courtesy BV. I'm using which class? View. Ante view is the parent class. My employee CRUD is the child class. So how many types of views are there? In Django, how many types of views are there? One. Very good. What it is? In Django, how many types of views are there? Two. Only two are there. FBVs and CBV, two are there. Function based views, class based views only. Two are there. Okay, fine. Now, in case of class based, function based. Very good. Now, sir, in the DRF also provided two classes to define business logic cover API views. Provides how many? Here also two classes are there to define our business logic for our API views. What about those? First one is API view. Second one is view set. Two are there. Sir, one is API view. Second one is view set. These two are available there. One is API view. Second one is the view set. Two are available there. Two are available there, sir. Aite. So what is the difference between this one and that one? Simple compare. Are those also parent classes? These two are child to this one. views ki child to these two anamata. Okay, yeah. Sir, API view is nothing but simple. You can think about like FBV. What is the difference between FBV and CBV in Django? FBV powerful or CBV na? FBV most powerful because whatever you want, you can do anything. Customized code, complex problems, anything you can do it. But CBV means already available, just we have to reuse it only. If you want to customize it, not possible. Whatever existing is that same concept here also, sir. API view is nothing but you can think FBV. View set is nothing but you can think a CBV concept. Sir, if you want to declare APIs by using view set, within fraction of 2 minutes, I will create it. Very simple. Previously, I'm written hours of code, but only within 2 minutes time, I can create API. Very simple. No code, nothing. But those are simply APIs only. Complex APIs are not possible. Suppose some client requirement so and so is there. Based on his requirement, may or may not possible. Because already it is built in. Whatever those are there, those only you can use. Customization is not possible. So most powerful one is which one? API views only. It is the most basic class to build the REST APIs. It is just like our similar to Django, you know already, like FBVs. So more explanation is not required. Mari, it is also, what is the child class? Child class for this class only. It is the child class of Django view class. Same, it should also allow whatever methods are there. Up to now, we know get method, ani, put method, post method, update method, everything we can apply. Here, we are writing the code. I know how it is executing. Here, execution flow, very easy to understand. Sir, just now, I am using only here model serializer. How many lines of code is there? 4 lines. It is executing get resource, create, update, everything. How it is working internally, I don't know. But if I write my own code, I can understand. Starting, I am telling, is it a valid JSON? Is it a employee ID? If none, I'm written total code. So the execution flow and functionality very easy to implemented in API views. So it is very easy to working with multiple resources, multiple databases. Complex problems we can solve very easily because of this API views. We have to define our API manually. We have to define URL mapping manually. We can do it. URL means we have to create our own API URLs. Do you know, 2 days back, whenever I'm installing serializers, I'm given one built-in URLs. So if you're using view set, built-in APIs, we are using it. But here I can use my own URL patterns and everything. So all these are possible in API user. View set also very simple. Actually, when compared with this one, view set is very, very simple. No coding, nothing. Within 2 minutes, I can create API given to the customer. My job will be completed. There are all built-in methods are there. Like CPU only, everything built in. You can create API and give to the customer. But customer requirements may or may not satisfied. Suppose customer, if any other requirement is there, no chance. You have to go compulsory API view to create the list. That is the two. So while going examples, you will get much clarity. Sir, now, up to now, we completed, we implemented, what I implemented? API I implemented, sir. Sir, to test this API working or not working, which code I am written? How I am testing every time? py.py, yes or no? Python script I am running and testing. Okay. Now, no. My requirement is browsable API. I want to. And in the browser, I want to test it, not Python code. Because already Python code, you are written. We are feeling bored. But real time, most of the times, how to check this? By using Postman, sir. Adi asal story. What is Postman? Everyone asking na. Up to now, we are very expert in this area. Which one? Python script. How to write Python script and how to create API, how to test it. From day one onwards, up to now, we are doing same thing only. Now, I want to implement today onwards, which API is browsable. Starting, I'm telling at the time of REST installation, it is providing browsable APIs. That is the meaning. Now, I don't want a Python script nonsense. I will delete that Python script. Every time that Python script not required for me, I can create browser API and I need to test my API is working, not working. Real time, most of the times using thing is what it is? Postman, sir. Adi, what is the meaning of Postman? So, this task already completed. Now, second task, what it is? Browsable API. How to create our browsable APIs. That is the story and API story. Okay. Now we have to do simple example. We will get much clarity. So now my concept is how to send a response in API views. Once it is done, next view set I will explain. So here, close all these things. Not required, not required, not required. So close this. Sorry, create the project. Stop the server. CLS. Now, so now test.py not required for me. I'm not implementing Python code because just now I'm telling na Python code not required for me. Browsable API I'm implementing. Check it carefully, sir. First create the project. How to create project? Django hyphen admin start project with REST class 2 cd with REST class 2 py manage.py start app test app. No. So next what to do? Go to REST to open settings.py. What to do here? First, you have to add REST underscore framework compulsory because with REST it is a third-party application. Next, our app, test app. Both you need to add compulsory. We have to add test app and in that way. Next, what to do? We have to create models, employee, student. Sir, I don't want to go to database. General example I will take, observe. Because every time models make migrations, migrate to employee, student, feeling bored. Okay, we will change it. Come to here, sir. Save this first of all. Go to news. Yeah. I have to take class test API view. Inside, what is the class name? What is the parent class? Idi API view. Okay. Mari kavalante you have to import is required. What is import? Yeah, from Django na. REST underscore framework dot views. Import which view? అదిగోండి ఉందా లేదా? API is the predefined class. That class you can inherit here. API view. Completed. Now, first method. View. చెప్పాను already explained na. ఇదిగో. It is the child class of view class. View is the parent to this one. But it is the Django view class na. Then some methods may or may not available because child class have their own methods. These methods are not then parent because view API view my. Suppose some method I am using. If that method is not available view class, is there any guarantee? View not required. API view enough. In that everything is there na. Because that is the child to parent means every parent method available there only. This I am inherited. So parent, child, everything available na multi-level. What is the meaning of multi-level? Same only. Now, if you given view, there is no 50-50 chances. But if you given the API view, that is the middle na. So view methods available there. This methods available their own methods. Compulsory it will work out. So now come to view. Yeah. Sir, what is the method? First method. Get. What is required? Self request single star args comma double star args. Next, what to do? I have to take some general example kabatti colors. I have to take colors. First color red. Next yellow. Next green. Next white. Colors I am taken, sir. Next, sir, here I want to send one dictionary to the JSON. One dictionary to the JSON. Generally, there are so many processes are there. Serializers is there. JSON.dumps any something, some different ways are there. But here, REST framework provided a class. That class is response class. What is the class? Response. Observe carefully. It is available from REST underscore framework dot response import. What is the class name? Response. What it will do? Response is a class. So I am creating object. What is the meaning of this response class? Response class, what it will do means, sir, it is responsible to convert Python dictionary to JSON data in the REST framework. Simple. And inside you can pass what you can pass? Dictionary. The dictionary will be converted to JSON because JSON can be understandable by common language format. Inside create some dictionary, any dictionary you can wish. How to create the dictionary? Curling braces. Some message I want to provide it. What message I want to provide it? Yesterday, happy Father's Day. That is message. So, sorry, the key value. And is the total one dictionary or not? This is dictionary converted to which data? JSON. Who is converting? Response class. That class is available. REST API response. Now, comma. Another key I can provide it there. Colors. What I want to give? Colors completed. And simple code, I'm not writing anything, and the colors I am given. I can send one response. That response is one dictionary I can created. I can provided some colors I can provided there. Completed get method. Mar where is API? Previously, I am written this much Bharatam story I am written. What it is? This one is one base URL, end URL, get request, get method, all this. But now what I am telling, I don't want this nonsense. What I'm asking, browsable API. For browsable API means, can I create URL or not? Observe carefully. urls.py. Here from test app import views. ఎక్కడ మనం ఇవ్వట్లేదు కదా, ఆత్ అయితే కావాలి. దిస్ ఇస్ మై ఓన్ API. What is our class name? Views dot test API view dot as underscore view. Completed. First check the server position. Py manage.py. Fine. ఇప్పుడు what to do? ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్? Previously every time what I'm doing, I created test.py. I go to the another console and I'm running test.py. I'm calling get method. Here get method it is calling. Instead of that nonsense, copy this URL, go to the browser. Now what is URL? Am I using browser based or not? Simple enter. No such table Django. Very good. What is the meaning? Read that, please tell the answer. What they're telling? ఏమంటున్నాడు అంటే జనరల్ గా సమ్ బిల్ట్ ఇన్ టేబుల్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఆర్ నాట్ అంటే ఐ ఫర్గట్ అబౌట్ మేక్ మైగ్రేషన్ సిస్టమ్ టేబుల్స్ నాట్ క్రియేటెడ్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు మోడల్ ఈజ్ నాట్ దేర్. ఎస్, వెరీ గుడ్. మైగ్రేషన్స్ రిక్వైర్డ్. నైస్. ఎందుకంటే ప్రజెంట్ మై మోడల్ ఈజ్ నాట్ దేర్. If my model is I'm giving migration, migrate, system tables will be created. But session management, where it will be stored, auth related tables, required, not required. That is we are missing. Yeah. ఇప్పుడు cd dot dot. So again you need to stop. అదిగోండి చూడండి ఏమంటున్నాడు, no such table. The problem is, yeah, stop the server, sir. Yeah. Now py manage.py make migrations. No changes. Now migrate. System tables not created. That is the mistake. Now ఇదిగోండి created a session related tables, auth tables, admin tables, everything is created. That is the mistake. Now run the server. Now come to here, just to refresh. Came. ఇదిగోండి ఇదే మీ బ్రౌజర్ బేస్డ్ API. Get method API created. Happy Father's Day. Colors ఏమున్నాయి, red, yellow, green, white available there. This time sending get request only. Basic example. Slowly you will get clarity. What is API, how to create. ఇదిగోండి options. What is the method available? JSON API. JSON format అయితే check it. It is coming to JSON format or not? Yes. No API format you can required. ఇదిగోండి ఇది API. ఇదే బ్రౌజబుల్ APIs అంటే. దీనికి జనరల్ ఏం చేయాలి మనం? You have to create employee table, name, data. Here I will send the request. I am get the data browsable APIs. This is called as browsable APIs. So what I did here, views.py, views. Views dot tarvata. Just URLs only. Sorry, am I written any code? No, simple code only here. URLs.py. After views compulsory, make migrations and migrate. URLs, start server, send the request. This is the request. So that is simple browser APIs, how we need to send with the help of API view. So this is the get request. Second one, post request. Sir, what is meant for post request? We have to create a resource. Sir, once we have to create the resource means my partner application will send some data. Which type of data? It is compulsory JSON data only. Yes. Now, my partner application will send some JSON data. This JSON data, what should I want to convert into compulsory Python dictionary? If you want to convert to Python dictionary, some mechanism is required. Serializers. So create a serializer class. Inside write just 2 lines of the code. So conversion required for that serializers are required. So what to do, sir? Now go to test app, right click, new file. What is the file name? Serializers.py. Now my class name serializer. Inside what I want to give? Serializers. రాలేదు కాబట్టి what is missing? From rest underscore framework. Import, what import? Serializers. Now serializers dot, what can I take? Serializer or model serializer? Model. Yeah, I created any models? లేవు కదా, so not required. If you created any model database, then you can take model serializer. Just a general example, that serializer is enough. So now I want to take a field. What is the field? Name. What is that one? Serializers dot, which field name means? Character field, same story. Now max length equal to some 10 characters. Completed story. Copy this. Only the serializers. Now come to next views.py. Inside views, take the another method. What is the method name? Post method. Inside whatever variable, self, request, args, kw, args. Completed there. Now something name I can provided there. Okay. And from the third party application, I will send some name. The name should be dictionary. From dictionary, I'm passing some name. Now, what I was doing is, what is the class? Name serializer. So, name serializer. Import that. So, from where it is, test app dot serializers import name serializer. Now, I want to give you as a now you want a class name serializer. Whatever data you are passing, data equal to what is the data? Request dot data, not body. Request dot body means if I'm taking from test.py, then partner application. Now I'm getting request dot data. I can give a variable. What is the variable? Name I can provide. I'm sorry, serializer object. What I'm given serial because this is my class. Is it a class or not? Yes. For the class, I'm creating object. Instead, I'm passing data, request dot data. That is serializer object. So what to do now? If serializer dot, what we have to do? Is underscore valid. If the serializer object is valid object, then whatever name you are forwarded, get that name. Send the message. Previously, what I'm telling here, just I'm sending a message, Happy Father's Day. Now I'm sending some name. Suppose some name I'm given Sunny. Now I want to tell, hello Sunny, Happy Father's Day. That one I want to provide it. Now you are sending some data that is available in where? Data. Dot get off. What is the variable we are using? Name variable. You can ask that name. Sir, if the serializer is valid, serializer dot data dot get. What is the key? Name. If available, stored into variable. Name I can provide it there. Now give the message. Message equal to, we can give hello, replacement operator, Happy Father's Day. I can provide it. Now dot format function. Instead, what I can pass? That name, because from that dictionary, whatever name is there, I am taking hello, Sunny, Happy Father's Day. This message you have to send. Return. What to do? What is the class name? Response class, because it is converting Python dictionary to JSON data. A response of what you want to give? Dictionary compulsory. So message, comma, message. Completed. For example, if serializer is not valid, else part, because something goes wrong, valid. Now return. What I want to return? Response. Inside response, I want to write, what is your object? Serializer dot errors. What is the status code? If something goes wrong, 400. So this is the post method. Serializer class I created. Now, see the server. Server is okay. But where you send your data, that name. You want to send a name now? Name is there. I'm asking data of get name, data request dot data. Request dot means where is the data? So where is the name? Sunny Bunny, where you am given name? ఎక్కడి వాళ్ళు మరి నేమ్ ఏది అసలు? No. First of all, you have to refresh because I'm creating some API serial. Something will happen. Check it carefully here. Yes. Something added, not added. Sir, check it carefully. Every time I'm writing na content type equal to application by JSON like that. That's why you're using content type equal to application. Now, which one allowed? Get, post, head, options. One by one, I will tell what. Get post head options. Now, idigondi happy Father's Day, color something. But where you want to give data, come down. Idigondi. What they're asking? Content. Which content? Idigondi. The type. What you want? Idigondi. Which type you want to? JSON data na, this data and this data na. I know only JSON data. Now, what you have to give? Key value pairs. How to give key value? Curling braces. Key. What is the key? Name. What is the value? Sai Baba. Then what will happen? Is it a dictionary or not? From this request dot data I'm telling you, this data will be goes to application. That name it is taken. Hello, Sai Baba, happy Father's Day will be printed. But where you have to send request is going to post. Previously, what happened? I'm written test.py. In that dictionary, I'm sending py test.py. Post method I'm calling. That post method is calling to view method. Now here, browsable API. Post. If everything goes fine, hello Sai Baba, happy Father's Day came. Sir, please observe this code I'm written into test.py. I am running test.py. That is checking my API. Now, here by browser, I am checking hello Sai Baba, happy Father's Day came. Itlaga browsable APIs we have to create it. Code will be small code only. So it is, I am testing that methods working and not working. Previous process, what we have to do means code, same code, but you have to take partner application, test.py. Akkada again, base URL, endpoint, API, dictionary. Now you can give here request dot body. Because partner application, I'm getting data. Now here, from the browser, I am getting data. That's your request dot data. This story. How to implementing APIs. Request dot data only. If it is the where data is the variable. Data is the variable. No. Compulsory. Because previously third partner application I'm given request dot body. Can I give any variable? No. Compulsory. If the partner application means I'm using, but every time why I'm using body? Previous application. Every time I'm using request dot body only. Am I using any other variable? No. So here body compulsory. In our program, data. Request dot data only. Compulsory. That variable should be fixed. Request dot data is the fixed. In that partner, request dot body fixed. This one. Which one? This one. Then you can given any name means now here you can use that variable. That variable only you can use. If left side variable you can change as this data will be stored into here. Now here you can change compulsory. There, that is the way, sir. to provide the simple test APIs, browsable. Use.py. After that, URLs. Input you have to give in the browser content. Content lo you have to give curling braces, name colon something. So that is the process. Now Bunny app. కాదు కాదు. Based on requirement, anything we can do. In POT, we have to update 1 or 2 fields, not records. Fields. If you want to change all fields,
Recording stopped.